Hello friends. In the previous class we have studied about arrays, how to declare an array, how to access its elements, whereas we learnt dot length. Okay, so to find the size of the array we use dot length, right? Now we are going to know more about it. So it's single. We studied just a single dimensional arrays. Now we go through the multi-dimensional arrays. What are multi-dimensional arrays? Multi-dimensional arrays are also arrays which store similar data items. That means arrays in arrays. Okay. So if we have a set of values that can stored in an array. Okay. Similarly, we store for each and rows and columns we can store more values. That is multidimensional. Okay, right. So it is possible to store multiple items of similar data type in one variable is array. Now we are going to store arrays, more arrays in an array. That is, we are going to store to a name like my numbers of 2 dimensions. Let us consider more than one dimension, that is 2 dimension. Okay, so 2 dimension, that means we have rows and columns. Here there are two rows and several types of columns. Okay, through which we can create a matrix as well, right? So how to declare a 2-dimensional array? You just know how to declare 2-dimensional array, then we know more than that. Okay, just we learn the simple. As we declare an array int big bracket open, big bracket close, and the variable name, that is array name, and within a flower bracket we mention their values of similar varieties, right? We are going to study the int array. Okay, so we are just use int array 1 2 3 4 like this. Okay, so now we are having one more big bracket and two open and close beside the single dimensional array. Okay, so since it is, and so it is 2-dimensional. Okay, so the array name, which is after the data type, and two big brackets open close and the array name. Okay, then equals the big brackets, the flower brackets are, this is complete one row, and similarly unseparated by comma, and the another row, the next row, right? So this is one array. Similarly we have another array separated by comma, and each array as we declare in the previous, that is within the flower bracket separated by comma, the values, right? Okay, you can define the values like this, right? This is one way. We just go through in detail while we display matrix and access the elements of the matrix and display matrix. Then we know more. Then we can know more. Okay. Now, suppose what will I get through this example? Like int, two big brackets open close, then my numbers is the array name, and we have the same values. The rows 1 2 3 4, one array and another row, that is 5 6 7. Okay, what will be the value we get? We declared a variable in text, and my number is an array name of 1 2. Okay, so 1 2 array indices, these two are indices. One is 2 and another 2 is first row, second row, third column. Okay, that will be 7, right? Okay, this is how to access the array elements, multidimensional array elements, right? Okay, now let's go through this another example, how we can use for each in this. Okay, right, for each, as we declare the array at the same example we have taken, and the outer loop, see the outer loop is for I equals 0, I less than my numbers dot length. My numbers is an array, and dot length, this is one array length, right? That is row length, right? Row length. This is column length and this is row length, right? Right. My numbers I, suppose it's a 0th row and 0th row dot length, right? Dot length will be the J loop. So these two loops will go for this outer loop will will go through the rows, and these inner loop will go through the columns. So thus the output is run. Output will be run. I'll run this. I'll take another one. I just copied this to another file called my class.java, as the name shows here. Now what? Now I will go through. Okay. Now I'll run this, right? Open the terminal here, Java C, my class. Yeah, Java my class. So we got the output. I think now it's updated. Okay, now we got the output for this. So which will be like the values which are there, it will be displayed. So my numbers is an array. Name dot length will take number of rows, and my numbers of that row and length, which is given over here for year. For the first row, that is 0th row, it will be 4, and the first row, that is second row for us, is 5, 6, 7, that is 3, right? So thus it will be counted as, and the output is displayed like this, right? You got it. Understood?